In this short tutorial, I will show you how to add a WhatsApp link to your Instagram bio. Having a direct link to your WhatsApp makes it more convenient for your followers to reach out to you quickly and easily. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the Edit Profile button. Then tap where it says, Add Links. And then tap, Add External Link. What you want to do next is type in your WhatsApp link. To do that, first type in wa.me/, then type in your phone number. Make sure to include the country code, but don't include a plus or spaces. You can also type in a title for it if you want to. Then tap Done to save changes. Now anyone who visits your Instagram profile can easily access your WhatsApp by clicking on the link in your bio. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.